Hey guys, it's Hoover here, and today I am super excited to be unboxing a mystery package for you guys. I know what's in here, you guys don't. This person shipped it first class, so that's interesting. So yeah, without further ado, this is going to be a quick unboxing of it. So I'm cutting it with my handy dandy cutting scissors. And then first, let's see. We have a weird looking plug, and then we have what I really initially wanted to order. I got an iPhone 3GS, so it looks like it's in good condition. This person taped it weirdly, like they wrapped it up in paper, so we need that off. That's like a weird, this is not an Apple plug. They gave like me a weird one, but here is the jet black iPhone. This is like jet black before the jet black iPhone 7 came out. So let's see if it turns on. It might be dead, I'm not sure. I see an Apple logo. Hopefully it's not an iOS 6. I'd be fine if it was, but it would be cooler if it was on like a lower firmware, but I don't know. So here we're on Apple logo. I got this as a little gift for myself for Easter. I figured I saw it, and it's another phone added to my iPhone collection. So I also have a different phone collection. I have a phone collection and an iPhone collection. My goal is to try to collect every iPhone, and I don't have the 2G. I don't have the 3G. Wait, this is weird. I thought I would. What? Okay. Okay, so it just powered on. Okay, it's set up for some reason. I hope it's not going to be iCloud locked, because that would suck. Hopefully it'll let me reset it. Okay, so it's letting me reset it, I guess. So that was weird. It came set up, so I just reset it. So I didn't want to see. And I ordered it, and it said it was used and good, and it looks pretty good. I mean, look at, I'm already smudging it up with fingerprints, just like the jet black iPhone would. So back to what I was saying. I was saying that my goal is to collect every iPhone. I don't have the 2G. I don't have the 3G. Now I have the 3GS. I have the 4. I have the 4S. I don't have the iPhone 5. I have the 5S. I have the 5C. I have the 6S. I have the 6S. And I need the 7, 8, and 10, and 2G and 3G. And then I'll have all of them. But they're just going to keep getting more and more iPhones. So I probably never will reach my goal. But okay. So now I'm just curious to see what this is on. It's probably on iOS 6. It seemed like it. It had an iOS 6 wallpaper, so I'm assuming it's on iOS 6. So this is definitely like old school and tiny. It's so tiny. It doesn't have a front-facing camera. I remember this is how we used to have to take our selfies. We'd be like, boop. So let me just hurry up and set this up. Well, it's still loading. So yeah, this is like the jet black iPhone. This is cool. I love this design so much. It's like jet black before jet black was even a thing. It's like, I like the black. It looks nice and sleek. Okay. Insert a valid SIM with no pin lock to activate iPhone. Yeah, there's no SIM card. I think I do have a SIM though it takes. Okay, English, please. United States. This is so like oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. I don't know if it'll take our 5G network signal for our Wi-Fi. So the guy, he did ship it to me with a full battery, so thank you for that. Listen to that. Did you hear that old typing sound? That's like, oh my gosh, that was so good. This is bringing back so much nostalgia. My very first iOS device was an iPod Touch 4th generation, and I still have it. The iPod Touch 4 is basically the same thing as this. Okay, now I have to insert a SIM card, so let me find. Now I'm gonna have to get into my phone collection and take a SIM out of one of my old phones and put it into here, because I guess you need a SIM. So This is like, I think it takes like a, I don't know what it's called, like a nano SIM. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I don't really pay attention to that kind of stuff. Hold on one second. Look at my old phone. Gotta get to the Samsung, because I have a nano SIM in my Samsung phone. So I'm gonna have to take it out of this guy real quick, so I can hurry up and activate this, so I can hurry up and set it up. Okay. Gotta take off the back of my Samsung to get to the SIM card. Gotta take out the battery too. And here is the SIM. Sorry guys, I know this is probably boring, but I got the SIM card. Now I need like a paper clip. I have one of these, just in case. And the SIM removal tool, this is different. It's on the top. Pops right out. That was really easy to pop it out. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh gosh. I don't have a SIM for this. I thought it would take the Samsung one, but it doesn't. Jeez, it takes a huge SIM card. I don't know if I'm going to be able to set this up then. That stinks. I don't have a SIM card for it. So yeah, I guess I can't, I don't have a SIM for it. That sucks. I really don't have, like, none of these other phones would have a SIM like that. All of them are newer, and it has, like, the very tiny one. Gosh. I'm sure there's a way you can activate it without, probably through iTunes without a SIM card. But, yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'm still very excited. This was a good purchase. It came like it said. And I got it off of Amazon. And, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.